Sweetie, I didn't get Tim Allen at the phone, so you need to be my Tim Allen today. So we need these filters. What do you think? Which one do we get? Yeah, I told you I couldn't call Tim Allen. Ah, you're looking already? Okay, perfect. So, sweetie, we need a... No, sweetie. Sweetie. We need 16 by 20 by 1. Okay. So, where are they? Yeah, I don't find them. Oh, sweetie. Sweetie, we need to look here. Sweetie, come on. 16 by 20 by 1. Okay, sweetie, which one of these? Which one? Yeah, let me know. Let me know. Sweetie, that's the wrong way. Sweetie, well, let's check out this. What's that? Oh, scary. Come on. Yeah. Scary Halloween stuff. I know. I know. Scary. No, let's go this way. Come on. Yeah. Scary, scary. Easy. Yeah, I know that's a pumpkin, right? Yeah. Let's go. I know. You like going to Home Depot? I know. You love that, right? Yeah. I know. You love it at Home Depot, baby? Yeah, let's go there. Yeah, check it out. I know. You are the Home Depot girl, right? Oh, is that so interesting, that smell? Smelly, smelly, smelly. Wanna go this way? Sweetie, sweetie, let's go this way. Come on. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you need a sneeze, right? Come on. Yeah, I know. Come on. I know you love it here. I guess we got all we need, right? Huh? Oh, you wonder where Tim Allen is? The Tool Time guy? Yeah, usually he gives us advice, right? But he couldn't come today, so you have to be my Tim Allen. Yeah, you need to give me advice on all the stuff. Remember the Tool Time show we always watched? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you need to help me now. You're a good girl. What's up? Hey, that's just Christmas decoration. I know. Hey, Franny, look at these. You see them? You like them? Come on. Yeah. Sweetie, well, let's check out this. What's that? Oh, scary. Come on. Yeah. Scary Halloween stuff. I know. I know. Scary. No, let's go this way. Come on. Yeah. Scary, scary. Easy. Yeah, I know that's a pumpkin, right?